How to fix copyright claim on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, you have to be aware of these information. That is, you own all of the rights to the music included in the particular video, and the music is in the public domain. Apart from this, before using any music on TikTok, make sure that you also have permission from all necessary right holders to use the music on the TikTok platform. Now, the next step what you want to make sure is that you have switched your business account to personal account. So in order to do so, tap on the three lines icon on the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy here. Okay, now tap on account. Okay, now at the fourth you can see switch to business account. If you see the option saying switch to personal account, then just tap on it and you can easily switch your business account to personal account, and then you can avoid copyright claims in the future. So that was it for today, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.